Hey guys, this is Cassie at Toys Love Trinkets, and today we're going to be going over fixing up this vintage Popples Plush. He has some very matted, dense fur on his head and his little poof, and then of course these have begun to clump a little bit. So we're going to fix that up today using our pet slicker brush. And I also will be using my flat iron set on low, which is around 250 degrees, with my water and conditioner mix. So when I use heat, I will always be using at least water to make sure that it dampens the fur so that it doesn't get too hot and singe the hair. We're trying to fix this, not cause more of it. So let's get going. Well guys, that just about wraps everything up for this guy. I will run a slicker brush back through his hair once that wet part has dried again, and then he will be all set. So if you liked today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so I can see you again next time. Bye guys!